Vending machines are a ubiquitous part of modern life. The journey begins when you insert your payment. The machine verifies the authenticity of your payment. Once your payment is accepted, you select your item. The machine's central computer receives your selection. Items are stored in coils, connected to motors. Sensors in the drop box ensure successful dispensing. The drop box flap opens and you retrieve your snack. Vending machines are marvels of modern convenience. Discover the hidden engineering marvels within, where technology and snacks collide. Join us on this captivating journey. Stay connected with us on social media.